Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to close your AIB bank account. So I want to tell you something like this. As you can see, there are two methods by which you can easily cancel your AIB bank account. The first method is you can visit your nearest branch and you can go over there and you can request them that you wish to cancel your account, and their representative, or you can say any person over there, they can cancel your account very easily. Okay, so there is another method, that is you can say via online method. So in the online method you have to be an account, that is your internet banking account. And if your internet banking account is active, then you need to log in into your account and you need to click on accounts and your account management section, and you can see over there your close account options, and you need to select that option and you can follow the instructions. You can follow the instruction, each and every instruction, and once you follow each and every instruction you can cancel your account very easily. So these are the two methods by which you can easily cancel your AIB bank account. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.